Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and the MSI RTX 5070. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you decide which GPU is the best fit for your gaming needs. The RTX 3060 is designed for solid 1080p and 1440p gaming, while the RTX 5070 promises high-end performance for the latest titles. Let's find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to performance, the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is a solid choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming, featuring 12GB of GDDR6 memory and an impressive boost clock of 1867 MHz. However, the MSI RTX 5070 takes the lead with its 12GB GDDR7 memory and a boost clock of 2625 MHz, making it ideal for high-performance gaming and demanding titles. The newer Blackwell architecture of the RTX 5070 also enhances its ray tracing capabilities, providing gamers with a more immersive experience. Overall, if you're looking for the best performance, the RTX 5070 is the clear winner. In terms of pricing, the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is priced at $329, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 comes with a hefty price tag of $729, reflecting its high-end performance capabilities. While the RTX 5070 offers superior specs, the price difference is significant, and budget-conscious gamers may find the RTX 3060 to be a more appealing choice. Ultimately, your budget will play a crucial role in your decision. The ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is built on the Ampere architecture, which provides excellent performance for its price range. However, the MSI RTX 5070 utilizes the newer Blackwell architecture, which is designed to deliver enhanced performance and efficiency. This newer architecture not only improves gaming performance, but also optimizes ray tracing capabilities, making the RTX 5070 a more future-proof choice for gamers looking to play the latest titles with the best graphics settings. The architectural advancements in the RTX 5070 give it a significant edge over the RTX 3060. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and the MSI RTX 5070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 is a fantastic option for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid performance, while the RTX 5070 is geared towards those who demand the best in gaming performance and are willing to pay a premium for it. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.